I'd like to welcome everybody to CKJ Crypto News. Good morning on this beautiful Saturday. I hope all is well. We got a few good articles, guys, and I also got an article on Tropicana Field is going cashless this baseball season. This is something I've been saying quite some time. Ripple is working with Better Than Cash Alliance. It's better than cash. And I've been reading a lot of articles about cash is prohibited. So in the future, guys, we are clearly moving towards a cashless society. Very good article. We'll talk about this. Third largest bank in Saudi Arabia launches Ripple-based instant cross-border payment pilot. Very good article. Ripple partner plans to move millions of dollars with XRP-Powered xRapid. Now, also want to cover this really quick. Fintech regulators look south where Mexico shows how to do it. Very interesting article right there. Let's get this started. Third largest bank in Saudi Arabia launches Ripple-based instant cross-border payment pilot. The third largest bank in Saudi Arabia says its Ripple-powered instant cross-border payment is now live. The Saudi British bank Saab says it's one of 3 banks with the go-ahead on the country's central bank test Ripple's technology. According to the company's head of global liquidity and cash management, Guy Hadi, Saab is pushing to offer its customers instant international payments as soon as possible. Saudi Arabia is one of the largest remittance markets in the world. So a key focus is improving cross-border payments, making them cheaper and faster for our corporate clients. Wow. Wow. The central bank is working domestic instant payments, offering investigative and possible real-time cross-border transactions with the UAE using a cryptocurrency. We are keen to offer instant payments on a global scale as soon as possible. We have just gone live at the end of December 2018. So that's very interesting, guys. xRapid is live. Ripple's global head of infrastructure innovation, Dilip Rayo, says Ripple is rapidly expanding its presence in the Middle East. Wow. We now have 3 banks in Saudi Arabia, 2 in Kuwait, 1 in Bahrain, 1 in Oman, and a couple in the UAE. It is really our fastest growing marketplace. This article just came out yesterday, actually. I think we have covered some of these. Ripple partner plans to move millions of dollars with XRP-Powered xRapid. We did cover this one the other day. Like I said, it just came out. The foreign exchange service Mercury FX says it plans to move millions of dollars worth of cross-border payments using Ripple's XRP-based xRapid. There it is, guys. XRP will be used. The company recently announced its largest commercial payment sent using the cross-border payment solution, sending $4,000 to UK to Mexico. Now, rather than see cryptos and blockchain technology as a threat, we have for some time been looking as an optimal way to embrace and integrate said technologies. We believe that the more established blockchains will eventually replace SWIFT network along other side, frankly clunky payment networks. Cryptos will be used as a conduit to replace fiat eventually. Exactly. Now, speaking of Mercury FX and where they sent payments from UK to Mexico, we have been hearing a lot about Mexico and Ripple. I got this from Better Than Cash Alliance. Fintech regulators look south where Mexico shows you how to do it. American financial services and regulators might want to look south to Mexico to see how some smart fintech regulation. And the Dallas Fed quarterly publication Southwest Economy Research writes that Mexico was one of the first countries to design legislation exclusively dedicated to the fintech sector. So Mexico follows in the steps of the UK, which was the first country to adopt comprehensive regulator standards in politics, specifically for fintech. Now, talking about the UK Financial Authority, basically, guys, I've done articles on this, and this ties back to Ripple also. No matter how you look at it, guys, Ripple is working everywhere. Tropicana Field is going cashless this baseball season.
Tropicana Field will be going cash-free in about 2 more weeks for FanFest, and some fans are on board with the transition while others say that it doesn't quite fit their lifestyle. We found out why going cash-free is on trend. Tropicana Field adding kiosks, just one sign of a major change for the Tampa Bay Rays, going completely cash-free at concessions and retail.
I think that's a pretty bold move because there's still a lot of people that live on cash.
Rays VP of Strategy and Development Bill Walsh tells me they tested it out last year and saw a big drop in the number of people using cash. The change expected to cut down the wait times.
Up to half. We saw some lines that would take 7 or 8 minutes, and fans would get through them in 2 to 3 sometimes.
So clearly you see what's going on here. So basically what they're saying is if they're not using cash, then the lines are going to move really fast. They're going to be frictionless. But clearly, guys, we're moving clearly towards a cashless society, and digital currencies will be used. That's for sure. Now, basically what they're saying is they went cashless last year, and you can use your major credit cards, Ray gift cards, mobile payments such as Alipay, and season ticket holders with Ray cards. We can assure that fans are having a frictionless experience and getting back to enjoy the game. This is the first cash-free event during the Fan Fest, which will be held on the February 9th at Tropicana Field. Now, I read something in here that basically this is the first place to do this. Led by E15 tech firm showed that switching to non-cash policy will cut transaction times in half, allowing faster moving lines and increased fan satisfaction. They quickly adopted the cash-free environment, and it's just going to be easier all the way around. Okay, guys, what do you think about the cashless free of this baseball game? Do you clearly see society going in that direction? And what do you think about all the partnerships and xRapid going live all around the world? The CKJ coin will pop up right now. Smash that coin to subscribe to the channel. This is also the home of the 2 streams a day. Start your day with CKJ at 11:30 a.m. Eastern, about to live stream in 2 hours, and XRP After Dark at 9 p.m. And we drop videos like this throughout the day. xRapid, quick crypto fix news, straight to the point. Smash that subscribe and notification bell. You will be notified when we release a video. Much love. Mahalo.